Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's continue with the third part of video on this topic, where we'll discuss about the next topic, which is combination. So what is a combination? Combination is when you want to find different combinations of choosing R objects from N distinct objects. So in this case, we don't want to take into account the different arrangement. So what is the formula? The formula is NCR. So as usual, do not look at this formula here. We won't be opening up the meaning behind this formula. We will just focus on NCR. So you can just use your calculator to find the answer. Okay, so in this case, let's see the first example here. How many different ways are there to select 6 different students from a class of 10 students? So we just want to select 6 students. Order is not important. So we want to select 6 students from a total of 10 students. So you can see now your N is 10, your R is 6. So the formula here is 10C6. No need to look at the calculation here. Straight away write your answer. It is 210. This example 18 here is not in syllabus, so no need to look at verifying formula. Let us see the next example here, choosing alphabet. So 3 letters are chosen at a random from English alphabet. Okay, so your N for English alphabet is 26, and then your R right now, you just want to choose 3 letters. So the first question said, how many different combinations are there? So you just want the combination. Order is not important. So the combination from 26, you just want to choose 3. So it is 26C3. This calculation is not important here. So straight away use your calculator. It is 2600. Let's see the next question here. How many ways are there if there's only vowels are chosen? So now we just want to focus on the vowels. So your N is 5 because vowels is 5, A, E, I, O, U. Alright, and we want to choose 3-letter word. Therefore, your R is 3. So just use the formula 5C3. As usual, calculation is not important here. Just use your calculator. 5C3 is equal to 10. Let's now see the next example here. This is combination of multiple selection pools, where we want to form a committee. So let's see here, a committee of 5 members is chosen randomly in a group of 5 girls and also 7 boys. So in how many ways can committee be chosen if it consists more boys than girls? Okay, so now which one we want to use, combination or permutation? In this case, we just want to choose a committee. It doesn't specifically mention whether you want to choose as president, vice president, and so on. If you want to choose a president, the order is important. You need to use permutation. It's different. If you want to choose Ali to be a president, it's different with you want to choose Ali as vice president. So order is important. But in this case, they just mentioned committee. So no need to use permutation. A committee is just a general one. So we just use combination. So let's see here, from 5 girls and 7 boys, we want to find how many ways can committee be chosen if we have more boys than girls. Okay, so since we want to choose 5 committees, if you want more boys than girls, so the first case is when you have 3 boys and you have 2 girls. Okay, so in this case, girl is more than boy. The second case, you can have 4 boys and 1 girl. So now boys are more than girls. And the last one, you can have 5 boys. So you can have 5 boys and also 0 girl. So in this case, you have 3 cases where we will calculate them. Okay, so since you have 3 cases, let's calculate one by one. Okay, the first case is this one here. where we find 7C3 times 5C2. Why do we have this? Because we have 3 boys, 2 girls. So from 7 boys, we just want to combine 3. 5 choose 3. From 5 girls, we also want to choose 2. Okay, so in one case like this, we can just multiply them, and then when you have multiplied them, you'll find the answer 350. Let's look at the second case here. Okay, so the second case here, let me write this one here. Second case where we want to have 4 boys, 1 girl. So let's see here, 4 boys, 7C4, 1 girl, 5C1. So within these cases, we need to multiply them, and then the answer is 175. Let's look at the final case here, where this is the third case. 5 boys, 0 girl. Okay, so 5 boys is 7C5. It's not written here, the 0 girl, but if you want to write 0 girl, this is just 5C0. 5C0 is equal to 1. So if you write it, or if you don't want to write it, it's okay. It wouldn't affect our answer. So here it's just written as 7C5. So the answer here is 21. So I finished solving all the 3 cases. So what we want to do with all the 3 cases, you need to add them up. Okay, we need to add all the cases together. So please bear in mind, if you want to do a combination of different cases, within the cases is multiply, because we want to use multiplication rule, and between cases we want to add them up. So you can see here, we add all of the answer, and then your answer is 546.